Hi guys, welcome back. Again, welcome back to our channel, Alina and Raymond. So, right now guys, medyo excited ako kasi our topic for today is um, some um, unique traits and rare characteristics of a call center agent. So, well, anyway guys, bago tayo mag-start, so again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel namin, don't forget to like and subscribe and pindutin mo na rin yung notification bell so para updated ka sa aming future vlogs and video. And you may also comment down below. So, yun. So, tara, simulan na natin. So, well, first step that I'm going to share is you have to be patient. So, guys, ito yung number one kasi alam naman natin na in this industry, kailangan kasi mahaba yung pasensya mo. So, kailangan to, importante to kasi nakikipag-usap tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng tao. So, hindi natin alam kung anong attitude meron sila. May ibang tao na demanding. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is kailangan natin maging patient. Haba natin yung, kailangan mahaba yung pasensya natin. So, this is very helpful for us to communicate properly to our customers or para mas maintindihan natin sila. Kasi kung di tayo magiging patient, may tendency na yung magiging conversation natin sa kanila is parang alam mo yan, hindi dun pumapasok yung parang misunderstanding. So, napakahalagang bagay nun guys, for us to be patient. So, number two is kailangan din natin yung willingness. So, ang ibig kong sabihin dito is yung willingness para yeses natin sila sa lahat ng concerns, sa lahat ng kung anumang issues meron sila kasi importante yun, to let them know na andito tayo para tulungan sila. Kasi kung hindi tayo magiging helpful, kung hindi natin sila tutulungan, parang ano pa, tumawag sila. Kasi alam naman natin, kaya tumatawag yung isang customer is meron silang bagay na gusto nilang mabigyan ng solusyon. So yun yung number one reason kung ba't yung mga customer tumatawag. Like for example, di ba? Kahit dito na lang sa atin, pag may concern tayo, like for example, may problema tayo na may binili tayo, hindi tayo satisfied. So parang, di ba, example lang yun na ang gagawin natin is magrereklamo tayo. So same thing, ganun din yung ginagawa ng mga customers na nakakausap natin. The reason why they are calling it's because they have a problem that needs to be resolved. So yun yung pinaka-importante na nandito tayo para tulungan sila. So number 3 na pwede ko may suggest guys is kailangan din strong yung personality natin. So ang ibig kong sabihin dito is not physically strong but yung personality natin na magiging yung magiging adaptable ka or magiging flexible ka. Kasi merong situation na hindi mo siya kayang kontrolin eh. Alam mo yun, parang um, all of a sudden along your conversation, may mangyayaring bagay. Like for example, yung customer bigla na lang um, nag-flare up, nagalit. So, kailangan alam mo kung paano siya i-handle. Yung parang you know how to take care of the situation. So, yun lang. Kasi importante din yun. Kasi kung kumbaga sense of urgency, kumbaga yun. Kasi may ibang customer na may pagka-demanding. So, pag hindi mo kayang kontrolin yung isang sitwasyon na kagaya nun, ang mangyayari is parang kumbaga sila yung mag-handle nung communication, nung situation, which is at the end parang feeling mo wala ka nang magagawa, helpless ka, which is parang hindi tama, di ba? So yun lang. Tapos last step, siguro yung you know how to communicate. So dito pumapasok guys yung pagiging responsive mo. You know how to communicate. Di ba sabi nga nila pagka nag-work ka sa ganitong industry, dapat magaling ka mag-English, fluent ka, di ba? You have to sound like them. Pero hindi naman hindi yun talaga yung number one, hindi yun talaga yung number one key. Ang number one doon is kailangan magaling kang makinig, you know how to listen, and then you know how to respond. Kasi yun yung importante doon. Kasi pag hindi ka marunong makinig at hindi mo pinakinggan yung concern ng kausap mo, so parang ang mangyayari is wala kang may bibigay na proper solution. So, di ba? Kahit sabihin mo ng magaling ka magsalita, tapos kumbaga yung tono mo is parang yung accent mo is maganda, pero hindi ka naman marunong makinig. So parang wala din. Kasi di ba yun yung key doon, yung pinaka-importante yung bagay na dapat mong gawin para yung conversation nyo is magandang kalabasan. So yun lang guys. Kasi parang naisipan ko lang gawin to kasi yun na rin, parang based on my personal experience. So sana medyo nakatulong to and yun nga, to enlighten dun sa perception ng ibang tao na pag call center, pagka nag-work ka as call center agent, yun lang yung kaya mong gawin, di ba? Parang degrading, kumbaga. So yun lang guys. At saka disclaimer lang nga pala, hindi ako expert when it comes to giving advice. So I made this video based on my personal opinions and based on my own ideas. So sana medyo nakatulong kahit papaano, kasi I don't know kung, di ba, may napanood na kayong ganitong video. So yun lang. So again guys, maraming salamat. So don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe to our channel. So that's Alina and Raymond. So once again, maraming salamat guys, and see you all again to our next video and to our future upcoming vlogs. Thank you and salamat ulit. Goodbye guys.